EFINA, a financial sector deepening organization renowned for providing leadership towards achieving financial inclusion and championing the cause of the unbanked, has relaunched its brand and logo in Lagos. The relaunch coincides with a pivotal moment in Nigeria's financial inclusion landscape, with the rate standing at 64%. Arise correspondent Fadeshola Shotinwa tells us more.
For EFINA, established in 2007, a new chapter has unfolded with its rebranding. The relaunch of its brand and logo set the stage for the transformation of its identity towards a strategic repositioning of the brand to reinforce its mission to expand financial advancement across Nigeria. The organization is set to achieve this task using innovative financial solutions for underserved communities and marking a significant evolution in the approach to financial empowerment.
The fact that financial inclusion is a catalyst for so much more. The fact that people can use financial services to better their lives, their livelihoods, their families, their communities, and the entire nation. The fact that we are able to showcase this data and inform policy actions and interventions. And many of the products and services that you see today are on account of the fact that people are seeing the potential and where the opportunity lies. That gives me great joy.
EFINA's success has really been one of collaboration, of working across the ecosystem with partners, but also consistently delivering on our promise that we would provide data to help inform the decision of various stakeholders, our promise that we will measure progress at every step of the way, and our promise to really build a stronger ecosystem. And it's incredible to see what has been achieved in that time.
We realize that financial inclusion is not an end in itself. What is important is that people get included so that they can be uplifted economically. So what's important to us is that how can those excluded people, the vulnerable, women, youth, people in the northern part of the country, because the data shows that they are mostly excluded, how can they get services like savings, like micro pensions, like micro insurance and credit so that they can uplift their businesses, create employment, a livelihood for themselves and their families. So it's from financial inclusion to economic empowerment.
The EFINA event was attended by regulators, industry leaders, dignitaries, and policymakers. A fireside chat also took place with His Highness, the Emir of Kano.
We spent a long time talking about financial inclusion, and I think what changed at the end of the first decade of this century was a sense that we need to look at the supply of financial products. And EFINA was part of that process. The central bank remains key because at the end of the day, the regulators are critical to ensuring that you've got this supply.
By funding and catalyzing innovation, providing cutting-edge research, advocating for inclusive policies, and building capacity, EFINA has gained a reputation as a broker amongst private and public sectors in Nigeria. Fadeshola Shotinwa, Arise News.